Hi guys, welcome back to Robbie D's Kitchen. I'm Robin and today we'll be making jerk chicken quesadillas. So let's get into the video. What you'll need for the quesadillas are tortillas, avocado, plantain, mushrooms, and fresh mozzarella, and also the jerk chicken that has been marinating. I do have a jerk chicken recipe already on my channel, so if you want to see how I make my marinade, just check that out. The link will be in the description box. With this recipe, I also decided to make some Pico De Gallo, so for that you'll need some tomatoes, lime, onions, and jalapeños. I didn't have any cilantro at the time, so I didn't put any, but you can also use that as well. I didn't have fresh jalapeños, so mine are pickled. Pico De Gallo is super easy. You're just gonna cut everything up, put it in a bowl, and then squeeze the lime juice on top and add salt. You can add cumin, but I didn't add any. You're going to let it sit for at least 30 minutes so the lime can enhance the flavors of everything. Next, we're going to be working with our avocado. I was trying to show you guys how to take the core out of the avocado, but I was unsuccessful getting it on camera. You're just going to cut your avocado and set it to the side. I didn't make guacamole with the avocado, but if you want to do that, you can definitely do so. We're just going to peel our plantain and cut it up because we're going to be frying them. When frying your plantain, make sure your oil is hot enough before placing them in. You just want to fry them and watch them carefully because they will burn super easy. I fried my plantain on medium heat. Once my plantain were cooled, I decided to take 2 plates and just mash the plantain together to flatten them out because they will be going in the quesadilla. Now it's time to cook the jerk chicken. So I did have my jerk chicken marinating overnight. I used chicken breast. I will just be pan frying the jerk chicken. I'll also be pan frying the mushrooms with the chicken. If you don't like mushrooms, you can use whatever veggie you want or don't use any at all. I did end up taking them back out and cutting them in half because they were too big. You don't want to cook your chicken breasts too long because they will dry out, so make sure that you're cooking them evenly. Once you're done cooking your chicken and it's cooled a bit, you're just gonna shred the chicken up. Now it's time to make the quesadillas. So I ended up making them 2 ways, so you can do whichever way you prefer. The first way is using 1 tortilla and placing everything to one side and folding the tortilla over. And the second way is placing 1 tortilla in the pan, placing everything in the middle. and then placing another tortilla on top. If you're doing it this way, I would recommend that you put more cheese on the top just so that the other tortilla has something to stick to. Be very careful when you're flipping because it will be a little bit difficult to do. There you have it, jerk chicken quesadillas with Pico De Gallo. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, please give me a big thumbs up. If you try it out, let me know. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, bye!